Think about how much time your teenagers spend online, between schoolwork, gaming and social media. Their entire lives are digital. But here's the reality, the internet they are navigating isn't always playing fair. Right now, tech platforms are using highly sophisticated design tricks to bypass your kids' privacy and harvest their data. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down the youth and network privacy framework. We're going to show you exactly how to teach safe browsing for teens, and how to spot manipulative tricks websites use, and how to lock down your entire house using a home mesh network setup. So let's dive in. Hi guys, we're Connect, a social enterprise aimed at informing people about the internet. To talk about safe browsing for teens, we first have to unmask the concept called website dark patterns. Dark patterns are user interfaces maliciously designed to trick users into doing things they didn't intend to do, like giving away their location, consenting to tracking or signing up for hidden subscriptions. Teens are incredibly tech literate, but they are also fast-paced clickers. Tech companies know this, so they use misdirection. For example, look at a typical screen. The button to hand over your data is massive and bright. The button to protect your privacy is hidden behind three different sub-menus and written in font you can barely read. So sit down with your teens and teach them these 3 golden rules of safe browsing. Beware of the bright button. If a website is rushing them to click OK, stop and look closer. Watch out for the sneak into basket tricks. Check the defaults. Most apps default to the lowest privacy setting possible upon installation. Always go into settings and toggle them off. Teaching our kids habits is step 1. Step 2 is protecting them at the hardware level. This is where you move into the fundamentals of online privacy by controlling the internet right where it enters your house. If you are still using the standard Wi-Fi router your internet provider gave you, you probably have dead zones in your house. More importantly, you have a single point of failure for security. This is why a home mesh network setup is a game changer. Say that one router is struggling to blast a signal through thick walls. A mesh system uses a series of small nodes placed around your home to create seamless blankets of Wi-Fi. While these nodes are perfectly distributing physical Wi-Fi coverage so your kids don't experience lag, they're also allowing you to draw digital boundary lines around your home. Because mesh networks are managed through a central smartphone app, you don't need to be an IT expert to configure them. Right from the app, you can block data tracking trackers, filter out malicious websites, and even set automated curfews that shut off your teens' connectivity at bedtime. You're stopping data leaks before they even leave the room. When you combine safe browsing habits with a secure mesh network, you are installing the true fundamentals of online privacy. As privacy isn't about hiding or having secrets, it's about control. It's more about making sure your teenagers decide who gets their data, rather than a predatory algorithm choosing for them. By taking these steps, you transform your home network from a vulnerable highway into a digital fortress. So if you have enjoyed this video, please check out the links below and check out our products to help you with more digital safety. Other than that, have a good day, stay safe, and bye.